This is the second day of the snowstorm. The snowblower started okay, but the auger and the drive wasn't engaging until the engine warmed up. I guess it was slipping a little bit, and then I had a little bit trouble clearing the driveway, but when I get to the sidewalk, this is the place where I hit the wall. When the snowplow comes and they plowed in the exit, there's just not much you can do with a tiny 22-inch 5 horsepower snowblower. This is like a wall. It's like an avalanche, and there isn't much you can do with it. You can try, but the snow blower gets bogged down and clogged, and you have to clear it. So I was just trying to do as much as I can so I don't have to shovel by hand. That would be a very difficult job.